Sakafet, it's my first time cooking crack chicken. So what you'll need, here are the list of ingredients. If you need to pause in order to make sure you have everything, go ahead and do so. Now we start with a clean crock pot. Make sure it's empty, it's not plugged in as yet. First thing, you know me, I love my garlic. I have to add some minced garlic. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the onions and peppers, which are optional. So if you don't want to add them, you don't have to. If you do, go ahead and do that now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug in this bad boy to get things started. Boom. Okay, we're gonna add our chicken. Yes, mine is frozen. It was previously washed and all of that, but it's frozen and I was being really lazy, so I just put it in there. Don't worry, you can have it thawed out or frozen. It doesn't really make a big difference. So I'm just putting as many pieces in there as I want. Now it's time to add that cream cheese to the top there. So just go ahead and pack it on top. And next, I actually decided to add a little bit of my own little seasonings, like some black pepper and some cayenne pepper for a little bit of a kick. Now you can go ahead and add your ranch dressing, add that ranch mix. I did not pour the entire contents, so I would say about half or maybe less than half is what I used. Yeah, so go ahead and cover everything up. Alrighty, now it's time to get to slow cooking. You want to cover your crock pot, and right about now I'm going to give you a better view so you can see, and you want to make sure it's in the locked position and start pressing buttons. Slow cook. It's preset to 4 hours, but we want it to be 7, so get it to 7 hours. Good. And we start. We just leave it, and yeah. So occasionally I check in on it. I open it to make sure it's all good. You don't have to do this. It's just curiosity in me. I just want to make sure everything is looking good. And yeah, so we still have 5 hours left to go. And here we are with still about 3 hours, 55 minutes left. And let's see what it's looking like. Okie dokie, looking good, looking good. Now it's finally finished, so I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it. Let's see what we have. Yum, yummies. So now it's the time to add the other ingredients. So we're gonna add our green onions and turkey bacon bits and our cheddar cheese. Okay, so after I added those, I went ahead and kept it on warm for a bit, and now I've returned and I'm shredding the chicken thighs. So I just decided to do this in the pot. It's just, you know, less dirty dishes. So you just pick up the pieces and you basically pull them apart with 2 forks or whatever technique you want to use, and just go ahead and do that. Everything's well combined here, giving it a nice stir. You see that nice thick consistency. It looks so delicious. Now I've decided to serve this over cauliflower rice. So I'm gonna plate it. Some cauliflower rice on a plate, nothing special. And then we're going to add our cracked chicken over that and enjoy. This was a really simple dish and it was absolutely amazing. I really hope that you give it a try and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.